All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight. And first and foremost, let me welcome back the 1995 Toyota Supra. Now, for those of you who've been following the channel for at least a year, will probably recognize this car. It's been almost a year since the last time we've seen him on the channel. I'm gonna give you guys a little recap of what's done to this car. Now, this car has a single turbo Borg Warner S366 turbocharger with a full turbo back exhaust system, upgraded intercooler, and he is running on E85. Now, he is running a little bit slower than he was before because he had a previous transmission issue. He is currently on a 5-speed transmission, which is not as strong as the 6 speeds. So he dialed it down. He's probably making somewhere right around 650 wheel. Now, who he's going to be running up against is a car that does have significantly more power than him. But this is obviously his first time back out, so he's looking to run. And obviously we're doing this for fun. So right here, this is a twin-turbo Mustang. It's a 2019 with the Hellion TwinTurbo Kit. That's on 55mm turbos. He is making over 800 wheel horsepower, and he's connected to the. He has a 10-speed transmission. He did recently just get a new flash for his transmission, so it is shifting a little bit better. And he is also on E85. So anyways, both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the Mustang. And the first race we're gonna do with the Supra is gonna be from 40 miles an hour. Let me know when you're ready. Close your window. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let me see what it did. We did a 6.2. Sorry guys, shaky here. We did a 6.21 60 to 130 and a 5.37 100 to 200. So this car definitely did get faster since the last time. All right, guys, on to the last and final round. This is for entertainment purposes, of course. We're gonna do a 70 roll. So no need for the 60 to 130. Pretty good. He did pretty good.